injalo ingane zethu ngibholo zamafinkosana ishintsha nzoma mavava mzini amadoda numzana amanzi uqinyeje dibula madubulani into msasizweni lonyanga lelapha ekhaya kube qoya kungenagobela hayi ngoba afa asoza bekhona yebo kanje bemhlophe indoda ephindaphindeke kaningi uma kwenzeka umlomo ungathethi imali shanda wandaba umthenga ngoma4000 bethenga amahlahla shanda ungakanani nasentenini yesandla nele nasothi lo mkhonto ngiyahlala ngithi cha baba yebo yona impela indoda le ehamba kancane hayi ngiyakutshela mfana mase sifikile sivala ngime emzini amanye amadoda yey alright then I want to talk ngezinye izinto ezimbala namuhla alright maka athi nganyakazi kancane ngithi ukumanje kancane right ngifuna ukukhuluma ngezinto ezimbala yabona kuhlayithiwa siyezwa okay khona umuntu onjena nani kodwa ke manje yini ebenza ukuthi bahluke okanye intoni engasenza sikhona ukubahlunga alright my English people. So I always get people asking, sometimes they ask, all right, chap, we understand there's this type of person, that type of person, whatever the case may be. But how is it possible to end up being able to differentiate between these types of people, right? Okay. We understand there's those that do good, that do bad, or harm, or whatever the case may be, right? Coolios. So let me give you a couple of pillars, right? Not necessarily 7, but I can go up to 20, 30 actually. But let's just give a few. Let's say 7. Okay, fine. Let's use 7. Right? We look at certain pillars where we understand. Yes, Zulu City. I'll use my Zulu interpretation first, and then I'll put it into English for my people that don't understand the native language. Right? Sharp. So we look at a person. Kunomuntu ongumenzi. Umenzi. Umuntu onjani? Oyenzayo into. Right? So something happened, or something comes about, and then this person has to do it. Right? A doer in English. Right? Then kuba khona lento ekuthiwa umqaqi. Right? Umqaqi uyintoni umuntu ongumqaqi? Umuntu owazi wenzani? Ukuvula amafindo, ukuvula izinto ezivalekile. Uvula kuvaliwe. See what I mean? They are able to untangle the problems or the knots that have been made or made about or done upon or to uncast a spell. Right? Yay! So I've given you 2 now. So let's go to the third one. Let's go. Then we're gonna umvikeli. I am this umvikeli. Right? When I talk about isimo somvikeli, I talk about a shield. Muntu owazi ukwenza into ezoba isivikelo kwisimo sabantu. Right? So obviously in English terms, we're now talking about a person now who is able to create a barricade, shield, so that obviously you are protected from harm. Right. Then sikhulume yebo. So then obviously I want to touch into umelapi, a person who will heal the situation. You see what I mean? Ozoyilapha ngani friki yagula bese masesa sifikile ingane sibona kahle na into ephethe lengane ebese ke siyamelapha ngendlela yakhona simelaphe, everything goes back to normal. Right? Now what are we talking about? We are talking about what we call umelapi. Right? Cool. Then let's cross the borders, and let's say now I want to talk about umuntu, a person now that does the opposite of that. A person onjani oshayayo. A person who does harm, right? A person who does something with the intent or the intention to harm. Umshayi. Right? Let me use something else to give this analogy. Right. Cool. So, nanti into ismele. Right? Ismele into la. A person who's male. Right? Or let me use a phone. Anything you're fine. Ismele. Then now, we want to destabilize this thing. Right? It's upright. Imelanji. Then lomuntu umshayi wazi wenza izimo zezinto ukuze lento iwe phansi. Na language alaba abantu mabekhuluma. Hayi asimshayi. Ya, masimshaya kanjani lo muntu? Right? Then we get a harmonious type of person or harmonious type of healer, right? The type of person who's like, no, but what's this wedding ifuna? Ehlisa umoya, izinto zizenzekelele kanjani. No cha, siyamxolisela sixolise. Ilento ekuthiwa umxolisi. Not everybody's like that. Mina nje angingeni lonto. Ungafa mfana. We my babu. Uthi hayi kanje. Hayi silimazi eche. Uthi hayi kanjani. There are people like that, right? Yeah, that's 6, ne? Let me give you one more. All right. Yeah, I love this one. Let's go and talk about what we talk about. We call umlekeli. I've done many videos about this. I've done many lives about this as well. Right? I've even brought people. Hey, I've done so many examples of what I'm talking about now. Right, umlekeleli. Shit. How do I put this in English? A person that is going to help you. Right? What do I mean? I'm not sure if I had another one of these close by. Right? So, obviously, let me use this actually as an analogy. Right? So, this is you. Right? But wena ufuna utugcine unje. Right? So, this is the end result. This is what you must look like. Right? But this is where you are. Okay? Then umuntu omlekeleli mayifika. This person is already there. They've walked the same path as you. They've done exactly yonke into wena oyenzile njengoba uyenza. So la usukhona lo muntu uya-understand ukuthi ngoba usulana ke manje. Into isizowenzeka kuwena sekuzoba ilokhu. Usuzodlula kulokhu nalokhu ukuze ugcine ufika la. Right? This person mayikulekelela kumele akulekelele ngesimo sezinto ezifanayo nawe ngoba naye usuke ehambele indlela wena ehambile. Right? Ngizwe kahle. Mele futhi lolu hlobo labantu, when you are supposed to get this type of person, your own ancestors tell you ukuthi sikulethele umlekeleli. Hayi ukobela. Hayi umkhomba indlela. Sikulethela umlekeleli. Make sense? And these people, when they come with yabo le mpendulo kade wawuyifisa. And then all of a sudden, hayibo. Hayi angishi, niphile njalo bafethu. Tada.